Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making the batter because texture is everything. Mix 2 cups besan with 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric, and 1/2 teaspoon cayenne. Add 1 tablespoon oil to bind. Now pour about 3/4 cup water slowly until you get a smooth, pipeable batter. Think thick ribbon, not runny. Meanwhile, heat 2 cups oil to 350 degrees F. Test with a drop of batter to ensure immediate sizzle. Once the oil is ready, load your Sev press or fine hold tool, and once you have the oil at temperature and the press loaded, press batter in thin, continuous spirals into the oil. Steady pressure yields even strands. Make small nests so they cook through. Fry each batch 1 to 2 minutes until pale golden. Don't overcrowd the pan, because temperature will drop and Sev will turn greasy. Use a slotted spoon to flip if needed, then lift and drain on paper towels. Make sure to season, while hot, with 1/2 teaspoon chopped masala, or salt for immediate flavor adhesion. To finish, spread Sev on a tray and let it cool completely. Cooling locks in crispness, so don't pack it warm. Transfer cooled Sev to an airtight jar and store in a cool, dry place. Consume within 2 weeks for peak crunch. If your Sev turns soggy later, you can recrisp it. Refry briefly at higher heat for 10-20 seconds, or dry in a 200 degrees F oven for 5 to 7 minutes. If oiliness persists, reduce batter water next time to make it firmer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.